devices. In last lecture we see chapter first, that is introduction to these power devices. Introduction to these power devices and classification of the power devices or power electronic circuit. In classification there are total 6 types. First one is rectifier. This rectifier we see in last lecture. This is a uncontrolled converter. Then second type is AC to DC converter. This is a controlled rectifier. Here we use controlling purpose. SCR here we use controlled rectifier. Then third type is DC to AC converter. Then DC to DC converter. And fifth one is AC to AC converter. And then static switches. Static switches. This is the sixth type of power electronic circuit or power devices. This DC to DC converter is nothing but the chopper. In this DC to AC converter, this is a inverter. Okay. There are 6 types of power electronic circuit. And AC to AC converter, this is a AC voltage regulator. AC voltage regulator. And in last lecture we see rectifier and AC to DC converter. Today we see the DC to AC converter. This is a inverter. And DC to DC converter is chopper. We see one by one. First one is DC to AC converter. Direct current is converted into alternating current. This is called inverter. DC to AC converter. This is nothing but the inverter. We know the term inverter and we see the block diagram for this DC to AC converter. Here we give the input, that is a fixed DC voltage or constant DC voltage. This give input. Here the waveform like this plus VDC. This is a constant DC voltage and output is variable DC AC voltage. Variable AC voltage. Here the voltage and frequency is variable. The output is like this. Plus VDC minus VDC. Okay. In block diagram show the first block is DC to AC converter. And in DC to AC converter we give the input, that is a constant DC voltage. And in constant DC voltage there are fixed or rectified, means this supply voltage we filter or rectify by using battery bank. Here we use constant or fixed DC voltage, and this DC voltage we taken from AC supply voltage is filtered or rectified by using battery bank, and this fixed DC voltage is given to the DC to AC converter, and the output of DC to AC converter is variable AC voltage. That means the amplitude is variable and frequency is variable. Means variable frequency and variable amplitude we got at the output of inverter. And this inverter we use in UPS. These are the example of inverter. The pulse width modulation. This is a special type of inverter. Pulse width modulation. That is, this pulse width modulation is PWM. This PWM is special type of inverter. PWM means pulse width modulation. This is a special type of inverter, and this inverter is using UPS. UPS power supply, ultra power supply. Okay, and here output voltage and output frequency both can be variable, and we see the circuit diagram for this DC to AC converter. In circuit diagram there are two transistors we use, four transistors we use here, Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Here transistor Q1, here transistor Q2, here transistor Q3, and here transistor is Q4. Okay, four transistor is used, Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Okay, here Q1, Q4, Q3 and Q2. Four transistor is used, and this four transistor is bias alternator. Here we use load. Okay. The diagram, we draw diagram here. Here transistor is Q1. Here it is a Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Okay, and here middle we give AC supply voltage. So here we give one DC supply voltage, fixed DC voltage. Okay. Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Your load is used. Your D1 diode, D1, D3, D4 and D2. Okay, and output is taken across the load. This is circuit diagram for DC to AC converter. That is nothing but the inverter. And we see the output wave from this inverter. First positive half cycle, the first positive half cycle Q1 and Q2 is on, and next half cycle Q3 and Q4 is on. Means first positive half cycle here Q1 and Q2 is on, and for next positive half cycle here at this time Q3 and Q4 is off. Okay, first positive half cycle Q1 and Q2 is on, and this time Q3 and Q4 is off, and the next negative half cycle at this time Q3 and Q4 is on, and here Q3 and Q4 is Q1 and Q2 is off. At this session Q1 and Q2 is off, and Q3 and Q4 is on. Q3 and Q4 is on. Okay, first positive half cycle Q1 and Q2 is on, and next half cycle Q3 and Q4 is on. Means output voltage across the load is like this diagram, and in this session Q1, Q2 on, and Q3 and Q4 is on. This is a output voltage waveform, and here it is a I1 and I2 is flowing through, and here I3 and I4. The current waveform for I1 and I2, then I3 and I4, and output voltage across the load is like this waveform. First positive half cycle Q1, Q2 is on, and the current flowing through Q1 and Q2 is I1 and I2, and next half cycle, that is a negative half cycle, and this session Q3 and Q4 is on. This is for circuit diagram for inverter and output waveform. Then we see DC to DC converter, and this DC to DC converter means this is nothing but the chopper. This direct current is converted into direct current DC to DC converter, and this converter is called as a chopper. The block diagram of DC to DC converter, the block is here, like this, and the input is given fixed DC voltage, and this fixed DC voltage be taken from the AC supply, is taken from the AC supply, and this is filtered or rectified by the battery bank, and we get a fixed DC voltage or constant DC voltage, and the output of chopper or output of DC to DC converter is variable DC voltage. In the fixed DC voltage here we give plus VDC. It is a constant voltage, and the output is variable DC voltage means like this. At plus VDC minus VDC at variable magnitude and variable frequency, and at constant voltage. This is a block diagram for DC to DC converter. We give as a fixed DC voltage, and this fixed DC voltage we taken from a AC voltage is filtered or rectified. Filtered or rectified. Rectifier by using battery bank. And this given to the DC to DC converter, and the output of this DC to DC converter is variable DC voltage. At this variable DC voltage, frequency and amplitude is variable. And in tomorrow's lecture we see the waveform and circuit diagram for this DC to DC converter, and another type is AC to AC converter. Okay.